Hey language lovers, welcome back to English Genius. Today, we're mastering sentence structure with 35 fun MCQs that will challenge your skills. Think you've got what it takes? Let's dive in and find out. 1. Which sentence is correct? Neither the teacher nor the students were late. Tips: neither nor requires the verb to agree with the nearest noun. 2. Pick the correct sentence. The children play in the park. Tips: use play with children because it's plural. 3. Identify the sentence with the correct word choice. He is smarter than his brother. Tips: smarter is the comparative form of smart. 4. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. The team is winning the game. Tips: uses with the singular collective noun team. 5. Select the sentence with the correct use of to. She is too tired to go out. Tips: to means excessively and precedes adjectives and adverbs. 6. Choose the sentence with the correct word order. I can hardly believe it. Tips: hardly follows the verb can. 7. Identify the sentence that uses correct parallel structure. She likes swimming, running, and biking. Tips: keep the same grammatical form in lists. 8. Select the correct sentence. There are many people at the concert. Tips: use or with plural nouns like people. 9. Choose the correct version of the sentence. He runs faster than I. Tips: use I after then, not me. 10. Select the correct sentence. Each of the students has a book. Tips: each takes the singular verb has. 11. Choose the correct sentence. Neither the boy nor the girl is ready. Tips: neither nor takes a singular verb. 12. Pick the sentence with the correct word usage. I can hardly wait for the party. Tips: hardly means barely, so avoid can't hardly. 13. Which sentence is correct? He is the taller of the two boys. Tips: use taller to compare two things. 14. Choose the correct sentence. She gave me good advice. Tips: advice is uncountable, so don't use a. 15. Identify the sentence with the correct order of adverbs. She always sings beautifully. Tips: frequency adverbs like always go before the main verb. 16. Choose the sentence with the correct conditional structure. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. Tips: use knew and would in second conditional sentences. 17. Select the grammatically correct sentence. I like this song. Tips: use the simple present for habits and general truths. 18. Identify the correctly written sentence. She was late, but she took the bus. Tips: ensure both clauses are properly joined with a subject. 19. Choose the correct sentence. He visited Paris last year. Tips: use the past simple for specific past time periods. 20. Choose the correct sentence structure. She quickly ate dinner. Tips: adverbs like quickly usually precede the verb. 21. Which sentence is a compound sentence? She likes pizza, and he likes pasta. Tips: compound sentences connect independent clauses with conjunctions. 22. Which sentence is complex? She likes to swim because it's fun. Tips: complex sentences contain one independent and one dependent clause. 23. Choose the sentence with correct word order. How fast you run is impressive. Tips: the subject usually comes before the verb in English. 24. Which is a simple sentence? We went to the park and played soccer. Tips: simple sentences have one independent clause. 25. Which sentence is passive? The lesson was explained by the teacher. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. 26. What type of sentence is close the door? Imperative. Tips: imperative sentences issue commands or requests. 27th. Which sentence contains a relative clause? The book that you gave me is on the table. Tips: relative clauses start with relative pronouns like that or who. 28. Choose the correct sentence. The man who is speaking is my uncle. Tips: who is speaking modifies the man. 29. What type of sentence is "what a beautiful day"? Exclamatory. Tips: exclamatory sentences express strong emotions. 30. Which sentence is a question? Did she go to the store? Tips: interrogative sentences ask questions and end with a question mark. 31. Choose the sentence with correct punctuation. She said she would come soon. Tips: direct speech uses proper punctuation like a comma or none before the quotation. 32. Which sentence is a compound complex sentence? She studied hard because she wanted to pass the exam, but she didn't. Tips: compound complex sentences have two independent clauses and one dependent clause. 33. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will complete my homework. Tips: the future tense uses will plus the base verb. 34. Choose the correct sentence structure. Although she was tired, she went to work. Tips: dependent clauses should not disrupt the sentence flow. 35. Which sentence contains an appositive? My friend, Tom, is coming to visit. Tips: an appositive renames a noun right next to it. How did you fare? Share your score in the comments, give us a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more exciting English challenges. Keep improving, and we'll catch you in the next video.